The Learn English Classroom presents Sounds of the English Alphabet. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Those 26 letters make up the 44 sounds of the English language. The alphabet is made up of 5 vowels and 21 consonants. There are 5 vowels with both long and short sounds. Vowel sounds are made when air is not being blocked by any part of the throat or mouth. The long vowel sounds are the names of the letters A, E, I, O, and U. The long vowel sounds are formed when there are 2 vowels and the second or ending vowel is silent. For example, bake, coat, ride, or decide. The short vowel sounds are A as in cat, E as in bed, I as in hit, A as in not, as in cut. Short vowel sounds are made when there is only one vowel in the word. For example, cat, bed, stick, bought, cup. English words must have at least one vowel. There are also 21 consonants in the alphabet. The consonants are formed when air is blocked by some part of the mouth or throat. The consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, and Z. One letter I left out was Y. Y can be a consonant when it begins a word. For example, yellow. But Y can also be a vowel when it is at the end of a sentence or acts like a vowel. For example, dry, Jim, cry. There are 44 sounds in the English language. These sounds are formed from the blending of sounds when vowels or consonants are next to each other. For example, the BR in break, brr, break, or SN in snake, sn, snake. The study of the sounds of English is called phonics. Kids usually learn phonics at an early age, but phonics are also studied extensively by teachers and linguists. There is even a written alphabet in phonics. However, using phonics to learn pronunciation is much larger than the scope of this video. Intermediate learners of English would benefit from studying phonics. There are several online websites that help you master the pronunciation of English words. I have linked some of them in the description box below. Thank you for watching this Learn English video. If the video was of benefit to you, please like and subscribe.